Hey guys, this is Mazhar Hussain Chang. Welcome to my channel. Everything is special. Guys, today we learn about how to make a Gmail ID without phone number. Let's go. First of all, we'll go to Gmail. This is our Gmail. Then on the left side, I click on that, and you can see that there is an option. You will click on this, and on the second last you can see that there is an option of add account. You will click on that. Yes, now on the first number there is an option of Google. You will click on that. Stay a moment, we will reach soon. Yes, now on the last side you can see that there is option of create an account, create a new account. We will click on that, create a new account. Now our account is to be started to be created. First of all, we will choose a name. Any name you can choose. You can choose your real name, you can give fake name, or as your wish, what you want. I am giving name. Okay, one minute. Okay, yes, it's ordinary. Now the second option is of date of birth and gender. First of all, you have to give the accurate date of birth, but if you don't know what is your accurate date of birth, you can give any date of birth, but not 2019, because it's 2018. 11. I used to give my original date of birth because I don't want to tell a lie. Now we will choose the gender, any gender you are. If you are a female, then you would choose female. Then if you are male, then you can choose male. Now you will click on next. Now you will select email you want. I am wanting the email. This will be okay. No, this is already taken, so I will give another. I am giving this, and inshallah I will be succeed. Yes, now he is saying that give a password. I am giving a password. You can give any password that you want, that you can remember. If you can't remember, then you give a simplest password that you can remember. I am giving a password. Set. I will retype the password in this box, and now I will click on the next. Now the main thing comes. Now if you have phone number, then you can give, but if you don't have, then you can skip. Then you can read this all, but I am not reading because I have read. And you will click on I agree. That's it. You have made your Gmail account.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.